What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in, guys. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Metamask error and Ledger integration. So in my previous video I showed you guys you need to download the Firefox app and go ahead and go about it that way. But they've made more updates, so now they have a solution for the Chrome browser. Thank goodness. Alright guys, we'll explain it. It is still a little bit clunky. Hopefully they fix this junk because I hate doing it this way. Anyways, guys, there are a couple things you need to have. You need to make sure Ledger Live is installed on your computer. This video will be super quick. It'll only be 2 minutes long. If you guys are new to the channel, smash with the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new one. And make sure you leave a comment below that you subscribed. If you do all 4 of those things, you'll automatically get thrown into a drawing for $100 in BTC. Alright guys, so let me show you how to do this. So, you guys have probably seen this alert when you go on your Metamask. Ledger supporter updates, whatever. You need to enable Ledger Live support by clicking Settings Advanced in Ledger Live. So we're going to replicate this issue of what is going on. So I'm going to go to Settings. So this is in the settings, and I'm going to scroll all the way down to Advanced. And then I'm going to replicate it as if Ledger Live is off. So now I'm going to try to just make the transaction as normal. So I'm just going to say, hey, I'm going to stake whatever this is, and we'll just stake it here. So stake more, and we'll do Tugway. This is on XDAI, guys. This isn't on Ethereum, so don't go nuts. And I just submitted the transaction to the approval to my Ledger. It is not showing up. It's not even going to show up on my Ledger. You guys probably can't see it, but the error is up here. If you guys can see my mouse, it is up over here. It's basically just saying, hey, you could not verify it on your Ledger. Sorry, the transaction cannot go through. Just wait like 10 more seconds and the error will show up. Alright, so it says error, couldn't be verified, whatever. Okay, awesome. So now let me show you guys the fix. Alright guys, whatever, awesome. So let me show you guys the fix now. So go to MetaMask. We're going to go under this little circle button up here. So it's got like that color junk. And then we're going to hit Settings. We're going to scroll down to Advanced and scroll all the way down. So like forget all this state logs, reset account, and all kinds of garbage. This section that says Use Ledger Live, pop that joker on. Alright, so that joker is now on. So now we're going to retry this transaction. And I'm going to stake this stake into stake. Alright, so we're going to stake this. I'm going to say Tugway. And we're going to show you that it works. Now it's going to automatically do a pop-up, open Ledger Live. It's going to pop it up. I'm going to say open. It'll open the device bridge. And it'll bridge to my Ledger. So now it comes onto my Ledger. Now I'm going to say accept and send. And guys, it'll allow it to go through now. We go back onto the XDAI stake. And 3, 2, 1. Boom! Confirmed. Success. So that's it. And when you're done, make sure you disconnect the bridge. Bridge session is over. And you can close out Ledger Live. Guys, that's it. That's the fix. Super easy to do. It is a little clunky. I don't like how it is so clunky. But anyways, guys, you get what you get. Don't throw a fit. Guys, thanks for tuning in, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, bell button. Hit that subscribe notification or bell button notification. And leave a comment below saying you subscribe. Doing all 4 of those things automatically throws you into a drawing to earn $100 in BTC. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 26 verses 24? No, 25. Though their speech is charming, do not believe them, for 7 abominations fill their hearts. That video. Alright guys, if you guys want to get some free BTC, here is the quadruple threat. Guys, there's a link in the description below. You can sign up for Celsius. You get $40 in free BTC. I get $40 in free BTC. It is a win-win. And if you enter in any of these codes, this is for a limited time, you will get an additional bonus of BTC, guys. You cannot beat that. The next in the quadruple threat is Voyager. Guys, when you sign up for Voyager, deposit $100, you will get $25 in free BTC. Need I say more? Probably not. The next one is BlockFi. This is also in the link in the description below. Deposit $100 and you also get $25 in free BTC. In both for BlockFi and for Celsius, you will be earning interest on the money you deposit and interest on the money you receive in the bonus, as in the BTC. And the final one that's in the link in the description below of the quadruple threat is crypto.com. Guys, when you get or reserve the metalcrypto.com Visa card, which is the Ruby one and up, you will get $25 USD paid in CRO. Guys, you got to check out these bonuses. Lots of fun. Thanks for tuning in.